perfect. Okay, Dr. Morris, let me put this back here. I'm going to bring this forward, okay? And I want you to look that here. Perfect. No, look here. That's good. So I'm going to put here. Okay, this is the imagine. This is like I'm sleeping on my stomach. Okay, this is the back of spine. Good. Well.
You always do this, right?
Huh? So, what I do, you see that here, well, okay, the thoracic, right? This is the, so thoracic. So what I do, I put this one, they call piezoform, right? I find the vertebra that you feel that not moving, you feel that, okay? You can do this stuff, you see if it's moving or not. The one that is fixed, that not moving, you put this one here and a little bit push in. Pushing goes to the bone, okay? And then the other one, and your other one here, okay? And then you bring your body here. And you don't do this, okay? You want to get the force straight. As in physics, you can go less push but more forceful. So you go straight with the upper, you see my upper body, look at this. I go down, okay? I'm using that upper body and straight down, okay? Straight down and a little bit upward, not the upward, like you see. Do you see the angle? Okay, bump. Okay, bump. Or
like that, right?
yes, down, but this angle. Okay, so you move one of this vertebra. Okay, so that usually. Let me put this something here. Let me go under this. So we don't right here. That's a good one. Here, good. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So you just go straight. Do you see my body? Right, my body. Bam. Okay. So
and it's
yes, cross that, perfect. You bring your body exactly this one, good. Use this one, down, bam, bam, perfect. Okay. So or
you start at the bottom of
or you can do this. There's also the other the way of technique, double tenor. Okay, you do. You see that, Dr. Moore? Here, you see this here. You go here and you go here. Okay, you can go even this way. Okay, or you can do this one and this one. This is much easier if you want to do the same. You see, you put here and here, and you see that here. My body. You see my body. Okay, right here my body is. I don't do this. Okay, I don't do this, or I don't do this. So just my body like a one whole, and you see that? Bam! Try it.
Okay.
Double tenor. This is the cross one, okay? This is a cross one, more sophisticated cross one, okay? A little bit more complicated, but go ahead, down, bam, perfect, and go double tenor. Not this one. Use this one. Not here. This one means stay there. Put one here, one here. You see the thumb straight here. You see the thumb. Thumb. Well, the spinous process stays between, but the thumb. You see the thumb, right? Right. Okay, that's so easy. If you remember thumb like this, put here, and you see my elbow is not bended. You want to get the force, your body, this here, become like a weight, and you use straight this way. Bump, bump. Go ahead. Double tenor. Exactly.
Like
your elbow straight a little bit, straight, and perfect. And go, that's. Boop. Perfect. That's it. Okay, that's it. That's
and
it,
you
okay?
can walk right up, right?
Yeah, okay. So, now, try on me in real life, and don't have any mercy, okay? Just go hard.
Okay.
That's just I am okay. Don't worry about it. I want you to go double tenor. This tongue. Go tongue.
Thumb.
Tongue. Both. Nice. Go. Try. Don't be scared. Go hard. Good. Go in. Go in.
In, meaning.
You mean push down. Push down. Push down as much you can, and then pop. Go. Go. Good. Go harder. 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 As much you can. Go. Oh, good. Now cross your hand. Okay. I want you don't be forget the fear. Okay. Just go hard. Hard as much you can. Good. Go. Hard.
I take out the
Breathe
slack
in.
first.
Breathe
right?
in. Tell me. Breathe in and out. When I breathe out, whoo, go. You popped it.
Got it. Yeah.
You see that?
felt it.
Okay. So tell patient, breathe in and out. When I empty the stomach out, go. Pop. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
One more. Go up. Please go hard. Breathe in. Tell me. Breathe in and out.
Breathe
And
out.
good. Go hard.
Breathe in.
Hard as you can.
Okay.
Good. Perfect. Now, good. Go ahead. Adjust my neck, cross one. Cross adjustment. Go. Remember, you hold this all the way. Go until you really go, doesn't go anymore. Okay, go. Good. Perfect. Go the other side. The same. The only thing that doesn't matter, no fear. Don't any fear. Good. Okay, stabilize. Good. Grab. Push. Hold it. Did you see that pop? Right?
I didn't feel that one.
Yeah,
but
it popped. It popped, right? So that's it. As the number one, where if you feel like you're doing correct, so don't be gentle. Okay, Dr. Morris, okay, lie face down. Let me adjust you and feel what am I doing, okay? Just see what am I doing. Feel it. I want you to feel that, okay? You feel that just observe that I have zero fear to adjustment, okay? Most of chiropractors, even 80-90%, they don't adjust because they have a fear. They have fear to adjust. They're scared, okay? In chiropractic world, if you want to be a good adjuster, you shouldn't be fear. Okay, you see that? I am pushing down. I want to make sure complete, nothing to go anymore. Okay, that's it. It's the end, end joint, and you see, right? End doesn't go. Bam. Okay, one more. Breathe in and out. Okay, good. Good. Now I go one more. In and out. Good. Popped, okay? So one more. In and out. Good. Okay?
And you go
Yeah, I'm going to
right?
here. Now, breathe in and out. Good. Stay there. Okay. Now, going to do, let's get here. Stay there. I'm going to use drop table on your upper body. Good. Breathe in and out. Good. One more. One. Let me harder. I have to go harder. One. One more. Out. The last one. One. Good. Okay.
With a lot of
You
push.
good. You okay?
Yeah, good teacher.
Good here. Victor, okay. Lie face down, okay?
Okay, boss.
Yes. He's my student, okay? So
Okay.
you're going to level it up. Okay. Perfect. Dr. Morris.
Handles there too. if you
Perfect. Okay, Dr. Morris, look at me. Look at what I do. Okay? Look at what I do. Here. See, we look at this. Look here. You here? Okay, I little bit palpate. First, it's a tension here. I feel that. If you feel this, good. If you feel here, that's it. It's everybody. So you see my here? I am putting here, not here, here on the side and this side. Okay, right here, right? So I'm going to adjust. I'm going to adjust more force to the right side because I feel the right side more spasm. Okay, so I go right. See, good. See? Okay. Can you try here, upper?
Okay.
Upper, yeah, here. Go ahead, good. And he's a tough guy. He's a tough, very tough guy, I tell you. Go. Beautiful. That's it. Very good. You did it.
And then you do that to that point.
Do. Go, boom. You did good. Go ahead. Good. Go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Really. Yeah, I mean, good. Okay. A little bit drop table I do. Okay.
And that's
So-
your midline.
Right on your side. Yeah, it depends how tall, how, the height. But I don't use a drop table a lot sometimes. I'm not crazy about drop table, but it's a good, like a before adjustment. Right? So I'm going to cross the leg because this is the cross leg adjustment. Okay, cross leg adjustment. I have more leverage to get this. Because the cross leg, you see, I am bringing here one in, one more, my chest and my right is good. Okay, the cross leg adjustment is for patient like Victor and me. We have a big belly. Okay. So the belly is hard to do this.
Toe behind the
Okay,
knee. Yeah.
so me and Victor, we have a belly, right? Okay, so the best is to cross leg, okay? Because you see, popped. Okay, yeah. And
You can feel. You can
yeah,
feel. Yeah.
yeah.
And that.
Come here.
You wanna try? Don't
Come-
have me.
come
He
here.
wanna try.
Come here. Cross the leg.
Yeah.
Cross the leg. Cross the leg.
There.
And then this one up.
Okay.
Good. Okay, grab here.
Okay.
Grab here. That one going to adjust. This is going to adjust. Yeah.
This is.
Yeah, bring up. It's not easy. I'm telling you, this is side posture is not easy. Okay. Okay, good.
You're pushing here though.
Yeah.
Huh? Yes.
And when you push.
Yes,
you
good. You go, you bring toward you, but hold and bump, bump, go. Very good. Wonderful. Good, good, good. Perfect. Thank you, Victor. Lie on your back.
You can feel the
Lie on your
when
Yeah.
yeah. Okay.
So Victor, he's a medical doctor, Dr.
Yeah.
Morris. Okay, yeah,
Uh-huh.
and he loves to
Yeah,
adjust.
nice. Yeah,
he loves
yeah.
to adjust. Yeah, yeah. I mean, just my wife is medical doctor. She loves.
He's good. He's a
also-
good teacher.
He's a good student too. He's a good. I told you. Okay. So this one, even this, most of chiropractors, you see what they do. They're so wrong. I see in YouTube. It's so dangerous. They do when they adjust the neck, they rotate. They do it this way. It's so
You want
dangerous.
to flex.
Yeah, you see that here? I go, you see my wrist? I'm not bending. I'm not standing this way. You cannot adjust this way. I see a lot of chiropractors, they do this wrong. You can't do that. You want to go, the force goes straight to the disc. Force, you see that how? Okay, you see? I am right here and I go straight to disc. No rotation. It rotates a little bit.
Pushing with that hand.
Yeah, yeah. It will rotate a little bit, but it's because it's cervical. But rotation is the bad, dangerous, and unfortunately, a lot of chiropractors they do that. Rotation. You don't do this. You don't do this. That's dangerous. So I go straight to my wrist. Okay, I don't bend my wrist. The force goes. You see that? My triceps. Good. Got in to the disc.
I'm not gonna actually do it.
Yeah.
But I'm,
Yeah.
You'll
Okay.
hold
You
this
can try.
side.
You can try.
Yeah. You have to bend your down. You have to bend down. Do you remember? You can. Yeah. No, come here. You have to. You look at me. Come here, Doctor. You see it here? You cannot adjust from here. You have to come down. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You have to
Come
come
down.
down. If you want to go good force, you come down.
So you would,
Yeah.
hold
And
this side.
yeah. Hold side. Bring to tension. And bring here. Yes. Bring. Exactly. Bring
and then-
here. Straight in there. Exactly. Yeah. No rotation.
It's like when you push like.
He feels that too.
Like
Okay,
this.
yeah. He feels that too. So when they rotate, it's dangerous. Okay, it's a very dangerous.
This is the easiest way. Take slack out and then.
Yeah. Yes. Good. Straight to the
But
next.
a little more in the back, like
Yeah.
like when
You don't adjust with. You have to.
right like right here.
Yes, one. Exactly. Bend. No, you have to put your finger in. No. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So give me one
and you're
second.
pushing here,
Huh?
right?
1 second. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
This is what's pushing here.
Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. 1 second. Look at me. Let me see. Sit here. Look at. I don't do from here. I come here. Okay. Tension. Okay. You see? Bring. Good. Okay. Bump in. Not this one. Go ahead. I did already adjust, but
Yeah. But
no. Bring your finger down. Good. Okay. Bend yourself down. Bend. Good. Okay.
this just holds, right?
Yeah.
And then
Go straight in. Exactly. Good. Victor, you're good. Perfect.